Here, just wait.
Sino po sila?
Ay, bakit yung luggage mo?
Oh, isa lang yan eh.
Hi everyone.
We're waiting for Shims. Nag-online check-in na si Hero.
Siya ba yun?
Ay, hindi. Ay,
Siya yan. Ang labo na ng mata ko.
ako din, girl. Hi, Shims! Welcome back to the Philippines. Girl, here's your Pop Mart.
Oh my God! Hindi ko pa nalalagay sa bag ko.
Kasi, Besh, gusto niya ipagmalaki sa'yo. Di niya nilalagay sa bag niya.
Ito try natin.
Ma'am.
Ito ka doon.
Besh, sa'yo din to?
Gagawin, babayad ko muna ng travel tax.
Saan na?
Doon. Bayad na kayo.
Bakla, kamusta ka naman?
Wait lang, magbabayad mo lang.
Above.
Kayo dalawa.
Ah, hindi pa rin
Ay,
nakabayad.
hindi pa rin ba?
Yay, mag-check-in na kami. They have 2 luggages. Ako lang yung 1. Kasi tamad. Ay, niyo kay Sheila. Doon natitira. Ganda.
Tignan mo yung passport ko, naka-plastic.
Immigration. Super haba ng line.
May printed docs. Gaga. Kaya 28 yung baggage niya.
Besh, pinag-print mo rin ba kami?
Hindi.
Ay,
Rice tapa.
so the winner is the ubik cake.
And kaoyat.
Ano yan sa oyat?
Kain tayo.
Boarding! Withdraw muna si Mommy. We booked an Uber. Yan na yung Uber. Ganda ng car. Ah, yeah. Like this pala. Thank you, Bash. Thank you. Wow! First order of business, we're gonna go to Family Mart to check kung anong meron doon.
To check everything that we can check.
Wow! Kung tingin. Hamburg, patin.
Chorizo.
Oh my gosh!
Ito spam.
Interesting. Gusto ko ng spam din tuloy. Hindi siya spam.
Pork off. But it's so...
Microwave?
Yes.
Yes, please.
For here, takeaway.
For takeaway.
Do you want a plastic bag?
Do you want a plastic bag? No.
No.
Yes.
Okay, this one, water, 2 pieces 50, one is 35, so you want to buy the 2.
Okay, sure. Yeah. One more. Let's get one more water. Let's show them kung ano yung nakuha natin.
The dumplings.
Let's
Dumplings.
share kayo dyan.
Yes.
I got myself an apple.
Talaga mo...
Oh, this is not mine.
Look
That's
at this.
mine.
What's
That's
this?
mine.
Grilled pork.
Yeah. I got grilled pork onigiri.
Shimi, what's this? Hamburger patty and curry sauce.
What's that?
Classic fried
Classic
chicken
fried
thigh.
Nadakimasu.
Cheers.
Ay, anong curry siya?
O, sa'yo na.
Maghahagdan lang tayo. Breakfast. Nagliligpit na sila. Tama ba? Ay, hindi pala.
Hindi ko lumabas ko.
Gawan natin si Sheila ng coffee niya.
Ay, sige.
We're making our own coffee. Para kay Sheila. Shimmers, this is for you. Off to I don't know. Best na tayo punta.
Basta sa Taipei daw.
Guys, nakapag-withdraw na kami. Ang cute ng gagawin namin kasi wala kaming own money. Like yung money namin sama lang. We're like family! Pag iniwan kami ni Hero, di kami makaka-uwi. We're off to Simending. Go, guys. Oh! Hoy! Ba't magkaiba kayo ng pinasukan? Taray! Ganda ng statement ni...
Ciao.
Magpipicture kami, guys. Oh, ang cute. Tara.
Ayan.
Tayo ba?
Wish po ka na.
Dito ba? Ano?
Tapos dito tayo tatlo ba? Ganito. Ayan. Ganito. Ganito. Ay, ito cute.
Gonna try sausage.
Hero, where are you?
I'm here just waiting, just managing our finances.
Yeah.
Isa na lang. Cheers. Harap. Can you guys rate? 10. Chicken. Taste test. Oh my god. Here.
Kamay pa rin ng chicken ball.
Oh, milky. They have cameras here. I'm gonna try the crispy milk donuts. We're gonna try the viral
That's what we
donuts
have now.
for our friendship. Oh, ang sweet.
So first,
Ganda oh. Taray, nakaka-survive mag-train.
Please take your ticket. Thank you.
Gumawa lang sarili. Bash, hindi ka dito. Second full day. So we're gonna go upstairs to get some biscuits. Sis, nasan ka? Naging maze pa nga. Chicken. Yell you. Dami namin pupuntahan. Gagawa pa kami ng pastry later.
And then, jump pa kami today kasi hanggang 5:30.
yes, and also that.
Hey, Besh. Iba yung kinuha ko hanggang 30 na tayo.
Totoo ba?
Guys, we're going on a tour. We booked via Klook. Ayan si Sunny. Sunny! Yung naka-easy vlog. Hi!
So any seat, once you choose a seat, do not change your seat for entire journey. My name is Sunny. I see you on Y. Okay, Sunny.
We're inside na. Makikisip.
Drink.
Bakla. Hindi siya masarap.
Hindi siya matamis.
Guys, don't try.
Nasa siyang candy.
Eh, di matamis, sis!
Hindi. Yung mga sour candy.
Ah, okay.
It's like the best seller here.
Besh, hindi. Tourist trap lang yan.
Dahil pinagkatiwalaan eh.
Lasang ano nga
Sour
lang.
candy.
Parang powder emerald.
Hindi siya fruit siya.
We're here.
Ang ganda so much. Ang ganda nga dyan. Dyan na lang tayo mag-picture. Ang ganda dito. Guys, hi kaya! Wow. Guys, we just arrived at Japan.
I like the weather.
Yeah, the weather here is windy.
Perfect for her skirt.
Correct. Yeah, we're gonna try some street foods here and yun lang.
No,
Ano ba?
peanut ice cream.
Now we're gonna try the peanut and
The original
What's the drink?
oolong.
the oolong tea. I'm excited to try the long tea. Pero sabi nila from Japan din naman daw yun. Ano ba talaga?
But, need ng permit. You'll export. Yeah.
Coffee? Ano? Coffee?
Hindi, parang sago.
Matamis?
Palamig na sago.
Sis, try mo. Ayoko. Hindi pa ako kumakain eh. Matamis agad. Sis, try mo. Ang mga records ni Sonny. These are dried fruits. What's this? What did
Let's
I
walk into China close look. Hello, sir. The big calamari. Hello. Yeah. So we have more space inside. The one you try.
Busog na ako.
Yeah, squid cracker.
Wow!
This masala. Oh,
Very masarap.
almost 50.
You're the lady killer.
Maybe a few decades ago. Try it out. This one, everything is one packet 200, 3 for 5. So here.
You want Sandro?
What's that? No. Oh! Mga anak. Hindi ko bet, guys. Sobrang honest. Strawberry.
Masarap.
Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry. Free taste.
What's this? Nougat.
Nougat. Thank you.
Masarap.
Actually, parang
Very masarap.
it's so good. Ay, okay. Tumingin siguro. Okay, we found this shop. It's called Rich Toys. Hi! What is that?
Pineapple cake.
Pineapple cake?
Yes. Thank you.
Wow.
Famous daw dito din.
Yeah.
Nakapilon ka?
Thank you. Thank you, sis. Along super ganda. Those are the lanterns. Yes. Shimmy's turn to love. Papalipad na namin.
Thank you. Picture for side. Okay, one more.
Bye-bye! Ito na si Shim. Ayan na. Nanahimik na. Ni-flat namin siya. Oh! You get it now, sis? But I didn't. Daming free taste. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Got the goods.
You guys answer this one correctly, okay? Who is the best tour guide in Taiwan? I give the gift, so you need to give me an answer what I want to hear, okay? Here we go. Who is the best tour guide in Taiwan?
The best tour guide in Taiwan is Sunny.
Oh, you, okay? No, let's just have fun, okay? Let's have fun, okay? You guys know that you're king out of game, okay? You already have a lot of gift, okay? So so remember, happy wife,
Happy
life,
life.
okay? Happy girlfriend, happy boyfriend. So this is the
Correct.
universal golden rule. Remember this one. That's the lesson I learned, okay?
Bye! Tepang sa ko kay Sunny.
Guys, we just finished our one-day tour.
Yay!
What's that?
North Coast.
North Coast tour. It was fun. You guys should try it. Use her code.
The best is Sunny, guys. She's
True. Pero part-time lang siya, so you're lucky to have.
Yeah. We're gonna try Din Tai Fung in Taiwan. We're in line to eat Din Tai Fung. Ayun na.